Okay, this is the start page of ArcGIS Pro 3. We can start it by click here and ArcGIS Pro and we hit enter. Okay, now we can start it without a template, but not in this occasion. This occasion we will create a new project in ArcGIS Pro. Okay, first just click here, map, and it will create a new project dialog pop up. And we click here to browse, and I will point it to my G drive, data here. Okay, and I create a new folder called ArcGIS Pro project, and we will double click here and we click OK here. The ArcGIS Pro project. Okay, I call it our project name is check. Why I use check? Because we check here, create a new folder for this project. So it means when we click OK by check this option, it will create a folder inside ArcGIS Pro project. So it will be like this. And inside this folder, we create inside this folder ArcGIS Pro create our project here. Okay, so I will delete this. We'll check it in our Windows File Explorer and we click OK. And there, this is my project check. Okay, now let's see the File Explorer. Okay, there. Now here, as I said earlier, that ArcGIS Pro create a new project inside the ArcGIS project, same as the name of the project inside it. So this is the ArcGIS Pro project file. Okay, this is the same as this folder because we check the option. What about if we uncheck? Okay, now we click here, the new or Control N, and we point it again to our G data. ArcGIS Pro project. Okay, but this time we will uncheck this, but we name it underscores uncheck. Okay, we uncheck this option and let's see what happened. Click OK. Okay, let's return to our File Explorer and see what happened. There, after the root or the main project of our ArcGIS Pro project, the My Project Unchecked is located directly, not create a subfolder called My Project Unchecked, not like My Project Check. Okay, I hope you understand, and we will meet again soon. Thank you.